Hi, and welcome back to Fresh BCSC Tech. In this short video, I'm going to show you another one of my favorite Chrome extensions for accessibility, and that tool is Move It, kind of like that song that was in the Madagascar movies. So Move It, like the name implies, is a movement reminder. It has a built-in timer that after a set period of time, and you get to decide that, it will give you an alert across your screen telling you time's up, time to get up and move. And it will even give you a particular movement activity or action so you don't have to think of that yourself. So this is great for brain breaks for students. Some of them might need that self-regulation support to know that they need to get up, step away from their device and do something different for a few moments to help them come back and re-engage later. And it's just helpful for us as teachers because we spend a lot of time working on our lessons or grading and spending a lot of time in front of a screen. So to do this, I will add it to my Chrome. So you have to be using Google Chrome for this feature to work. But after I've added the extension, it will show up across the top here. Or if you have lots of extensions like I do, it will be over here in this three-dot menu where your other ones are. To open it, I'll open Move It, and I can decide my exercise interval, which would be maybe 5 minutes, and then it would give me that reminder. So after a few minutes, what it does is it pops up on the screen. And I'm going to show you that here in a second. We're going to let time pass for a little bit. I'm not going to let you sit here for 5 minutes, but I am going to pause this until it gives me that reminder. All right, so my 5 minutes have passed. And as you see, Move It has given me a movement reminder. So it looks like I need to hit the mat and do 8 sit-ups or crunches. So I'm going to go do that. You add the Move It extension, have fun with it. And whenever you're finished doing the activity, you click done. I can't do that yet, but when I do, it will go away and get me right back on my task, and I can set the timer again if I need to. Have fun.